This is Greg Totten Construction. We're currently in our project in Old Southeast St. Pete. We're in the masonry stage of construction. We've prepped our slab, inspected it, poured our slab. We poured it over a 15 mil poly plastic, prepped our blocks, and now we're in the process of getting our inspection. We're getting a temporary inspection. This way we can go ahead and pour some of the blocks in order to set our formed beams that we're preparing between the accessory space and the new home that we're building. So this is exciting. We're moving along. We're going vertical on the house. So just want to bring you along. You can see the masonry is all taking shape. We have a lot of different elevation heights here on this home. We have a 9-foot wall here, a 10-foot 8 wall here, 13-foot 4-inch wall here, and this is going to go up to a 17-foot wall. Things are taking shape. Just bringing you along for the ride.